Here we are again, answering some more multi-step word problems. I am now on page 150. Go ahead and look at number 7. We have Chan He is carrying a box that weighs 37 pounds. In the box are 5 containers of equal weight and a book that weighs 2 pounds. What is the weight of each container? This is a tricky question, and we've seen questions like this before. Something doesn't belong. If he's carrying a box that weighs 37 pounds, and there's 5 containers and a book, and we want to know the weight of the container, this lovely book that weighs 2 pounds does not count. So what do I have to do to it? Well, I need to subtract it or take it away from the total weight of the box. So I'm going to have 37 pounds. Take away my book, which is 2 pounds. I'm going to put that in parentheses because I want to do that first. Then, because I'm trying to figure out how much each of the 5 containers weigh, I'm given my total, and each box has to weigh something. That tells me I'm going to divide by 5. So when I figure out 37 minus 2, which is 35, and I carry down my divided by 5, I know that 35 divided by 5, and I forgot to write this. This will be pounds. It equals 7. So the weight of each container, now look, here is my label. Notice it's not in my question, but because it's asking the weight, I know that's going to be my label. So I can either write it LBS or I can write it pounds. Just know that LBS stands for pounds. And now go ahead and look at number 9. Dan has 7 fish in his aquarium. Marilyn has 4 times, ooh, there's a big word, as many fish in her aquarium. How many fish do Dan and Marilyn have all together? Ooh. So right away I see that there's a multiplication in this problem, and I'm going to see that there's addition in this problem. So Dan has 7 fish in his aquarium, and Marilyn has 4 times that many. Dan has 7. Marilyn has 7 times 4, because she has 4 times as many. So that's 7. I know that 7 times 4 is 28, and I go ahead and I will do addition because I want to know how many all together. 7 plus 8 is 15, and I have 35. Question asked how many fish, so I have 35 fish. You could also write this problem as 7 times 4 in parentheses plus 7 equals F. Just another way to write my equation. There's lots of different ways to write the equations, but understanding what the question means is the first step. So look for those key words. Those are going to be your signal words to tell you if you're multiplying or adding. Think about what the question's asking you.